fucking things going on with y'all boys. Is this shit even recording or not, bro? Hold up. I still don't know if I'm recording, but fuck it. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see, cause I mean even I can't see shit. But we're driving through the canyons right now. I'm on a cruise with a car group, you know. I saw they put it on Instagram, so like fuck, I'm not doing shit today at this time, so might as well go out for a cruise and, you know, get some content for YouTube for the boys. So that's what I'm doing. Not sure if you guys can hear them, but the cars. But yeah, this is just gonna be like a chill little nighttime drive around the canyons with hella cars, you know. But yeah, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but it says 0 right there. Wait, what's happening? Oh, he's like, oh, is the vet down or is he waiting? I mean, that guy is the fucking host, so why is the host staying back? What the fuck's going on, bro? This shit is a setup. It's a setup right here. We're about to get set up, all of us. I mean, I'll probably see him right now in the rear view, pulling up. But if y'all don't hear me talking, I'm just chilling, you know, concentrating. I don't want like a fucking deer to pop up or some shit and then head up. Oh, by the way, I appreciate you guys for watching my last video, the GoPro one. That's just at like 1K views. So I really appreciate y'all for watching my videos and subscribing. I'm at 95 subs. 5 more away from 100. Come on, guys, let's do it. I need 5 more of y'all to subscribe, bro, so I get that 100. But yeah, in total it's like, I think the meet was like probably around like 20-ish cars. So yeah, there's like some people like hell in front of us that went first. I went towards the end because, you know, like I don't got like that fast of a car and I'm gonna be slowing like a lot of people down. I was literally like all the way in the back, but I don't know what happened to the host. I mean, this should fix up. It says 3 minutes. Probably the footage didn't corrupt or anything. Oh shit, he's pulling up. I think that's him. I mean, there's other cars behind me. Oh, they probably went the other way or some shit. I don't know. Where to? Right here? And then why'd they stop? Cool. Oh shit, there's a deer sign, so yeah, some fucking deers might pop up. windows down. Oh shit. That's a fucking... Holy shit. If I had a fucking scat or fucking cat, would have been gone in that corner right there, boy. Holy. This guy's not part of the me, I think. Or he probably is, but he's got a slow car like me. Hey, but this is fun though, like cruising around with like hella people through the canyons and shit. No stoplights, no nothing, but I'm gonna put my window down so I can hear the cars, but fuck it. Fuck it. Hold on. If y'all hear hella wind, I'm sorry about that. This is where we had to do the turn. First stop. Actually, we're gonna make it like actual stops. It's gonna be, the host said there's gonna be one stop and then we're gonna do another one. That's it. The fuck is wrong with that guy, bro? My car's hella sliding, bro, by the way I'm making the turns. Oh shit. Ah, fuck that. Let me go through here. I don't want to get my fucking wheels dirty. I mean, so I think this is the first spot right here. Oh shit, brother. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh son. Golly. Let me just park. Oh, shit. So now what? Yo, chat, so y'all can see we're heading out of the first spot. We're going to the second one right now. I'm just waiting for almost everyone to dip so I can be in the chill in the back, you know. brother. Oh, fuck. I don't know where the other guys went. Shit, I'm being left behind, bruh. Gotta catch up. The other guys are right behind. Damn, they're all the way over there, bruh. Oh shit. Horses. There's some horses in here. I know this guy behind is trying to like fucking. Who is this? Wait, I think that was it right behind us, because they said that the first fucking right. I think this guy in front is like lost as well. Bro, am I fucking chasing them? I mean, following the wrong fucking person? Hold up. Oh no, we good. Shit, I think. Yo, that, I don't know if you guys, that light right there, I don't know if you guys played on Transit, Black Ops 2 Zombies, but if you know, you know. Them fucking like fucking monkeys or what the fuck they are, bro, that like scratch your fucking eye zombie in this fucking Transit, bro. Why is this guy slowing down? Hold up. Probably didn't know where it was. Damn, now they're gonna fucking leave me behind, bro. Oh, it was right here. God damn, 6 miles left. I'm about to waste my whole fucking tank right here. I just filled it up today. But fuck it. Sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that shit?
I did hurt my ankle on my
Gotta find some. Oh, fuck. They're probably gonna take a pic. Cars lined up like that. Fuck it. Yes, sir. We made it. We alive, boys. We fucking made it. Damn, I recorded for 17 fucking minutes. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna start recording again. When we out. Alright, y'all, so y'all can probably tell I'm in the freeway. Your boy made it out of the fucking canyons alive. Barely, but I fucking made it. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna end it right here. Just chill out to some music, you know, and go home. I edit this video and upload it. Today's Friday, so Sunday maybe. But yeah, anyways, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm out. Deuces.